Oh, God, save me. Oh, for I have seen the light.
I come in peace. Leave my elevator alone.
What happened? My backyard.
Got light, honey?
A light? Yes, I do. A light.
Good, thank you.
So, you survived the blast.
The blast? Honey, I've survived a host of things. Like the song says, a country boy can't survive.
Did you say you were a country boy?
Cute little old man. If you want a boy, I can be a boy. And if you want a girl, I can be a girl. Hell, I can be whatever you want me to be.
Really?
Uh-huh. And it's all yours for a remarkably low price of $200. And if you act now, I may even throw in some free lawn furniture. Now, how about that?
No. I can't. Thank you. I have to go.
Down.
Get out of here, you old drunk.
No! I'm gonna give it to you straight. There's no point beating around the bush. There were survivors. Apparently, the fallout has created a subspecies. Mutants.
Mutants?
Not a pretty sight. Some eat out of garbage cans. Others cover your ears, son, and hum. I mean that literally. I mean it right now. Others are multisexual. It seems they can be both masculine, feminine, simultaneously.
No.
Yes.
I don't
Believe it. He tried to sell me his body, Helen. They offer lawn furniture as a come-on. All right. They have done a lot of rebuilding, though society, at least as we know it, has totally collapsed. People throw up in the streets. Others point guns. There's something terribly wrong with the automobiles, and I can't tell you the rest. I just can't. Maybe someday.
So what do we do now?
We stay down here.
We do?
Yes. We'll make do. We have clothes. We have running water from a well. I am convinced these mutants will kill each other off.
No,
eventually.
Calvin! We won't make do. Not me. Not Adam. We're going up. I don't care how horrible it is. We deserve it.
I am the head of this household.
I want him to at least see the sky.
And we will.
The ocean. A mountain.
Do as I say.